Today, I am on a mission to explain every step so perfectly and so simply that even a confused potato will understand the best concept in the world in front of you. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. I made one legendary drawing. Now you will become Xerox machine and copy paste it same to same in your notebook. But dear student, if you skipped the theory like a ninja, please go back and watch it first. Otherwise, practical will hit you like a bus. Here total length is 6 meter, but our question says that it's broke into 3 tasty pieces, 2 meter plus 2 meter plus 2 meter. Okay, question says that, not I am telling you. Thank you. At the end of 2 meter section, question suddenly drops two forces from the sky. One 6 kilonewton, others one 8 kilonewton. Boom, physics attack. The height h is given 2 meter, but suddenly from above a 5 kilonewton force come like a WWE superstar and attack to the right side. Show that his height is 2 meter and upper side a force 5 kilonewton to the right side positive x-axis along the x-axis. Thank you. So tell me student, what is my approach? What is your approach? Point A. Point A is what? Here point A is pin and point B is ruler. Note down first. At point A, we have a VIP pin support. A point B, we have roller support. Basically, the lazy cousin of the two pin who just likes to the roll around. At point capital A, two reaction comes in the combo pack. One is AX, other is AY. Okay, note that this is AX reaction. What is the direction? This direction along x-axis but negative x-axis, that is left hand side, and this is AY. Obviously upper side, because here 6 Newton and 8 kilonewton lower, so must be AY upper, otherwise how it in equilibrium, right? So anyway, what I said already, B equal to roller support, not pin. Okay. So at a point B, can you tell me how number of component or no component or one component? Anyone? Then drop your comment in my YouTube section. Yes, only one component, that is By. No Bx. Roller support. B point only By component, only one component, but at a point both component, combo component Ax Ay. So what is the unknown term? Ax Ay By. B point only one component By, that's why I written as B equal to By. I think you understood till now. Excited. Tell me, dear student, what is exerted load? It's 5 kilonewton upper side to the right hand side. Note down, exerted load are 5 kilonewton. Sorry, this is not Newton. This is kilonewton. Question says that, not I am saying, not I am telling you. So excited loaded are 5 kilonewton to the right hand side along the x-axis. Dear student, bro and sis, if you any problem with this problem or with another problem, please drop your comment in my YouTube comment section. I will discuss in the next lecture. I promise you. And morning sir never broke his promise. You know that. Anyway, one force is 5 kilonewton. But question says that other two forces here, 6 kilonewton and 8 kilonewton. This is minus x, this is plus y, this is minus y, this is plus x. The axis, cousin axis, x-axis, y-axis, 6 kilonewton. At the point of 2 meter, A to 2, left hand side to 2, 2 meter from A point, 2 meter from A point. What? 6 kilonewton act. 2 meter from the point capital A. Okay? That is, you can written as 6 kilonewton downward, lower side along the negative y axis along the minus y. That's why downward. But where? 2 meter from capital A point. 2. Again I tell you 2 meter. Watch this diagram. Note down 6 kilonewton downward at the 2 meter from point capital A. Okay, I think you understood till now. Thank you. Similarly, an 8 kilonewton force decided to do a downward smash but not point A. It jumped 4 meter, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4 meter from point A before landing. That is, we can written as 8 kilonewton downward at 4 meter from point A. 4 meter, not 2. 6 kilonewton at 2, 8 kilonewton at 4 from the same point, point A. I think till now you understood this. Next, what is next? Next is I don't know. Next, let's calculate counterclockwise. Summation of momentum equal to 0. Now you have to observation power, strong observation power. Watch the drawing. Counterclockwise. That remember, I make you easy peasy, no tension. Very simple. Wait and watch. So, this is 6 kilonewton. What is the perpendicular distance? 6 into 2. What is the perpendicular distance? 2. 8 kilonewton. What is the perpendicular distance? 4. And By. What is the perpendicular distance? 6. Okay. 6 for 2, 8 for 4, By for 6. That is written as 6 into By. By upper hand, that's why plus. By upper hand. Minus 6 kilonewton downward. Distance 2 downward, that's why minus. 6 into 2. 8 kilonewton minus distance 4, that is minus 8 into 4 equal to 0. Because of summation of momentum 0. You can calculate, simplify and automatically pops out the answer. What answer? Calculate By. So here are no place to write, so I write here. By equal to, what is this? 6 to 12, 32, that is By equal to 7.33 kilonewton. Have you calculator? Please try it yourself and drop your comment. Next, summation of Fx equal to 0. Here along the x-axis only two forces, 5 and ax. So very clear, very simple. 5 plus ax equal to 0. That is ax equal to minus 5 kilonewton. Minus, this is negative sign. That is negative side. Look, watch, already I put negative. Ax is left hand side. Minus x-axis. Okay. Now last step. What is last step? Summation of Fy equal to 0. Along the y-axis, this is 6, this is 8 and 6, 8 and By. Okay, Ay, By. 4 forces here. Upper side Ay, By, lower side 6 and 8. So, Ay, positive Ay, because upper side means positive y. Ay, By, this is also upper side, that is plus. 6 and 8 minus, y minus downward according to the axis equal to 0. Already we know the value of By. We know the value of By already. Where there? 7.33. So easily put the value of By, you can find also Ay. AY is 14 minus 7.333 equal to AY equal to what? Drop your comment. 6.67 kilonewton. That is Bx, Ay and Ax is minus 5. 3 circle is 3 answer. So Ax equal to minus 5 kilonewton and B, where B nahi, By, sorry, Ay equal to 6.67 kilonewton and B point only one component By, not Bx. Here are no other component. By equal to 7.33 kilonewton. This is the best approach, perfect calculation. You can check and whole YouTube. Never anyone can't explain like me. Thank you.